Douglas County deputies say this midwife was at an infant's birth in March when the baby died, and they say it wasn't the first time. Thanks for joining us. I'm Rob McCartney.
I'm Julie Cornell. Judy Jones was arrested Friday. She's charged with practicing as a midwife without a license. According to investigators, Jones hasn't been licensed for years.
KTV News Watch 7's Sarah Feely joins us live with the story. Sarah?
Judy Jones was first licensed to practice medicine in Nebraska in the 60s. As a midwife, it is legal to practice a home birth with a doctor present or in a medical facility. Home birth is also legal, but not if a midwife alone is present. Douglas County says Jones knows all of this, and it's why she's charged.
We got a newborn born about 7 minutes ago.
This 911 call is what sparked an investigation into 75-year-old Judy Jones.
We learned that an individual at the home by the name of Judy Jones, who called herself a certified midwife, was performing the birth of this new child.
The baby girl's death led deputies to look into Jones' license to practice medicine.
Our investigation showed that a few years ago, she had been issued a cease and desist order from the Nebraska Attorney General's office. So during the investigation, we determined that she should not have been at that home performing this function.
The Nebraska Department of Health and Human Services issued that order in 2012 after discovering Jones had assisted in an illegal home birth the year prior where the infant died. That order also references a 1999 cease and desist issued to Jones from the Nebraska Board of Medicine and Surgery for attending home births. The Douglas County Sheriff's Office says there's another open case against Jones this year in Madison County.
Our investigation have found 2 other counties in which she's done this.
The Sheriff's Office says, according to paperwork provided by the girl's family, Jones did acknowledge the cease and desist orders in the birth plan agreement and states she is not licensed by any government agency. Jones turned herself in to authorities Friday after the Attorney General's office charged her with violating the cease and desist order and practicing unlicensed midwifery. And the Sheriff's Office issued a warrant.
What she has told us is that she's performed and delivered over 1,200 babies.
If found guilty, Jones faces up to 20 years in prison or a $25,000 fine. The Sheriff's Office says it's sympathetic to parents' choice to have a home birth, which is legal, and supports midwifery as long as it's practiced correctly.
Just follow the rules and follow the law. If there's rules or laws need to be changed, then use the proper procedures to change those laws.
The family of the baby girl who died in March didn't want to be identified, but they told me they support Jones and do not want charges brought against her. They believe Nebraska is behind the times on home birth options and hopes that laws change. Now, Jones was released on personal recognizance. She'll be back in court next month. Julie, back to you.
Sarah, keep us posted.